I ruined my pants, but I got the key. Get out of there with that money. I got the key. Watch this. A little brake clean on your pants. This is like washing them on the side of the road. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice and cool. Get all the grease right off your pants. A little brake clean never hurt anybody. Look at that. Restored. We can wear these all weekend of the show. Nobody's going to know that we worked on trucks. Unbelievable. Look at that. Brand new. Can't even tell. Oh, we got to get this side. Unbelievable. This is a pro tip. You won't find this on most YouTube channels, but right here, a little brake clean goes a long way. Fix some jeans right up so you can go to town tomorrow. Look at that. That's wonderful. Up here, I'm up here. So now we're going to go inside. We're going to watch a movie. I got to spray my arms off. And,
get to doing it. Get to doing it.
We're gonna clean off this mess. Man, this is chilly.
Get spraying them arms. Let's go.
I'm up here. I'm up here.
Come on, we got to do that. Spray your arms. Hurry up.
Spray them right now?
Yeah, clean up. You can't go in a house like that. I'm not.
We're in a hotel for one. Look at that.
Oh, God.
Look at that. Boom. Instant restored. You want to use the non-chlorinated kind so you can still weld on your arms afterwards without getting fumed. I'm starting to feel a little woozy.
Keep spraying.
What are you concerned about the freaking...
Hotel will throw us out.
Oh my God, I paid for it. They better not throw me out.
Look at that. Disgusting.
We had dinner at Carrabba's. I can't say it was very good, but I have a piece of cheesecake in the refrigerator to have when I get done drying. You know what? Did this stain my pants? No, they just got to dry.
Anybody got a match?
Yeah, don't have a match.
Need a match.
Look at that. A little brake clean goes a long way. Don't worry about and suck it into your skin and getting like toxicology problems. Don't worry about that.
I got that.
A little bit of cancer. A little bit of cancer ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Woo.
Man, unbelievable.
What do you think of that?
This is how you got to clean off. Do you feel funny? I feel funny. Don't you? I feel funny now.
Yeah, right.
I feel funny.
Yeah, good.
I sprayed it in my eyeballs under the truck. That was great. This is...
Yeah, that's much better.
Can you see what you're looking at?
Sure.
This is roadkill style repair on the side of the road. But now we've fixed the truck. We've gone to town twice in the Model A coupe over there. We've gone to town twice, taking our life in our hands in the busy road.
Nice out. We got a light.
Yep. So we're all good to go. Oh my God. Now you're gonna scare everybody away. All right.
Good.
My face all dirty?
Nope.
I can't tell. So I'm gonna pick up all my crap and we're going to go inside. Come back up here. Thanks for watching. See ya
Shut off.
next time at the Quick Speed Shop.
Okay, let's clean this up.
You're in such a hurry. You need to relax.